Welcome to our channel. Resizing and optimizing images for web use is essential for faster page loading and better user experience. Here's how to prepare your images properly. Step 1. Determine the dimensions you need for your website. Common sizes include 1920 pixels wide for full-width banners, 800 pixels for blog images, and 150 pixels for thumbnails. Step 2. Choose an image editing tool. Free options include GIMP, Paint.net, or online tools like Pixlr, TinyPNG, or Squoosh. For this tutorial, we'll use general steps applicable to most tools. Step 3. Open your image in your chosen editor. Go to Image menu and select Resize, Scale, or Image Size depending on your software. Step 4. Enter your desired dimensions. Make sure to maintain the aspect ratio by checking the Constrain Proportions or Lock Aspect Ratio option to prevent distortion. Step 5. Set the resolution to 72 dpi for web use. Print requires 300 dpi, but screens only need 72 dpi, which significantly reduces file size without visible quality loss. Step 6. Save or export your image in the appropriate format. Use JPEG for photographs with a quality setting of 80 to 85%. Use PNG for graphics with transparency or sharp edges. Step 7. Apply additional compression using tools like TinyPNG or Squoosh. These services can reduce file size by 50 to 70% while maintaining visual quality. Step 8. Test your optimized image on your website. Check loading speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Your images should load quickly without noticeable quality loss. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.